Sowa Griep. The Jamaica language unit translate it and broadcast Jamaican read it. One day one hungry fox did a pass one grapevine. Some man did a run him down and him did a run for a long time, but him get way. Now him did well tired and far from him yard. Same time him a pass one grapevine and him see some nice grape on it. Them did look big and juicy. The fox said to himself, "That would have do me good now. Me would just jump and pick some of the sweet grape them." So him jump for try reach the grape them. Him miss. Him jump again. Him miss again. Him jump one more time and him miss same way. The fox did well hungry now. Him just a get more and more hungry. No matter how him jump and try pick the grape them, him just couldn't reach them. Him did too tired and vexed. So him give up. Him tell himself, say, "Me never want them full grape there anyway. Them won't go look nice. Me sure I sour them sour." I saw some people stay, you know. Them want sitting well nice, but when them can't get it, them go like saying a good sitting again. Them come in just like the fox and him Sowa Griep. That's a broadcast Jamaican with the tuori, the Sowa Griep.